It's time for laughs, it's time for fun, it's time to learn for everyone at Nana's Cooking Craft Corner.
Hello and welcome back to Nana's Cooking Craft Corner. And on this video you're going to make this simple 3 ingredients beet salad. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to use my pickled beets. And I'm going to take them out and cut them into 1/4 inch pieces. Now, if you don't have your own pickled beets, then you can find them at any grocery store. These are the ones I made, though. They're really good tasting. Right, so there's about 3.5 cups of beets. You don't have to be precise, but I did 1/4 chunks because I kind of like the, you know, how you eat them. It's a nice size. Okay. Okay, let's get this out of the way. All right, let's bring the bowl down. And now I'm going to add in the feta. Now I have about a cup there. Again, you can take less or add more if you want. And then I have about 1/2 cup of walnuts. Now the walnuts add the crunch. The feta is kind of the salty taste. And the beets have a sweet taste. So together it makes a really awesome, delicious taste. Now stir it up really good. Make sure that you put it in the fridge for at least an hour, because all that pickling, it needs time to set. You know, get all the cheese and the beets all mixed up. You can see how good it is. It doesn't even do it justice. It's a nice looking salad, you know, to take to showers, or like baby showers or parties, or, you know, when you have to bring a side dish. I mean, I like it by itself. I don't even have to have, because it has protein, it has the vegetables and everything in it. So it's a perfect meal for me, but you can have it as a side dish. It'd be terrific. Okay, now a little salt and pepper. Now, more pepper than salt, because the feta has a lot of salt taste. So the pepper was just added a little bit of, you know, spiciness to it. Okay, so I put it in this fancy container so that you can take it to a party, a shower, wherever it looks nicer. I topped it with some almonds, and I hope you enjoy this. It's delicious. Make sure you put it in the fridge for at least an hour to cool off, because it tastes better. And so thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you soon. So take care for now. Bye.